30th of March. This is the Brunswick Cemetery again. This is people's homes all around here. That's the Renoir Cinema. 11 o'clock in the morning. It's all flat down there, it's all flat, looking out that way, and here's all flat. I'm down there. It's very loud. Anyway, so the council are taking me to court on March the 8th to evict me from going away for 4 months to get away from this. They think this is completely reasonable. They say no one else has complained and I had no reason to go away. And that's that. I'll be out on the street. So if anyone's got any ideas, then let me know. Because I don't think it's fair. But they do. They think it's fine that people have to live through this for years on end. But it's not okay for us to try and get away. They think it's fine, and apparently the law also thinks it's fine. I'm in bits over it. I'm very, very upset. And if they evict me, I'm not going to live on the street. I'm going to kill myself. There's no point trying. I won't be able to handle it because I'm too ill. So my next door neighbour did it. The other guy jumped. I'll be the third person. And all I want is a public inquiry or an independent investigation into it. Why it's been allowed to go on like this for so many years. And if my death does something useful, then at least the whole thing's been worth it. But I'm very, very, very upset about it. Very upset.